Create Photoshop file and save. Select window, then check the layer's visibility is on. Select Magic Wand tool or Command W, then press on Artboard. Choose color. Select Paint Bucket tool or Command G, then press on Artboard. Select Ellipse tool or Command U, then hold Shift and drag on Artboard. Choose Magic Wand tool or Command W. Press Canvas. Choose color, then Command G. Select with Move tool or Command V. Control plus C. Control plus V. V. Enter. Or select the layer you want to copy and Control plus J. Command W. Select Choose color. Command G. Command W. Select Eyedropper tool or Command I. Choose color. Command G. Create new layer. Choose color. Select Brush tool or Command B. Change brush size. Select Eyedropper tool or Command I. Choose darker shade. Command B. Select Eyedropper tool or Command I. Choose lighter shade. Command B. Change layer opacity. To undo, Command Control plus V. Select Control T. Rotate the corners. Control C plus Control V. Control T. Hold Shift plus pull corner that change the scale proportionally. How do you like it? Let me know in the comments section. Subscribe for more videos. Stay with Sing and Express.